Okay, so we will do after 12. After 12 also there are few painful questions. Real painful questions are there. Chalo, let's nacho. Now these are good questions. A bit, what can I say? Offbeat kind of question. So by normal sense, it will not come. So try. This is a good question. I will not talk much about this. You try these questions first. Yeah, Pushkar, tell me.
कल मंडे को हॉलीडे है।
लोग तो बोल रहे हैं भाई ऐसे, पता नहीं अब।
किसका हॉलीडे?
वो भी पता नहीं यार, फैकल्टी लोगों को हॉलीडे मिल रहा है, यही सुन के मैं तो पागल हो गया यार, खुशी के मारे। मैं फिर बात आगे नहीं बढ़ा है, ज्यादा पूछूंगा अगर कैंसिल कर दिया तो।
थैंक यू सर।
यस रजित।
Sir, for Raksha Bandhan, they said, sir.
रक्षाबंधन।
Yes, sir.
चलो वट एवर मे बी द रीजन, बट पूछना मत यार किसी को ऐसे। नहीं तो फिर कैंसिल कर देगा यार। ये लोग सोच
Okay,
लेंगे
sir.
ये लोग सोच लेंगे अरे अरे नहीं नहीं यार, नहीं देने से काम चल जाएगा, नहीं देंगे भाई।
Okay, sir.
चलो। The diagram is for question number 14, okay na? Yeah, solve 13th one. Good. Yes, Chaitanya, perfect. Very good. Excellent. Very good, Chaitanya. Good. Yes, Akshari?
Sir, equation of locus means.
Tell me.
Sir, equation of locus means.
Equation of locus means that it has to come in form of x and y, like y equal to mx plus c, or x square
Okay.
plus y square equal to a square, like that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Shashivardhan?
Sir, x minus 1 whole square plus y square equals to 3 square, means 9.
Perfect. Very good. Very good. So what we have to do, just consider that this is the direction in which the swimmer is trying to swim. This is theta. So along this direction, what is the component? 3 cos theta. Along this direction, how much will be? 3 sin theta. So now I can write for motion along x direction. For motion along x direction, x is equal to 3 cos theta plus 1, since river is flowing horizontally, into t. From there, we can write x minus t is equal to 3 cos theta into t. That is equation number 1. Similar thing we can do motion along y direction. For motion along y direction, we can write y is equal to 3 sin theta into t, right? So there y is coming to be, need not write twice, once enough. So let us say this is equation number 2. So squaring and adding 1 and 2, we get x minus t whole square plus y square is equal to 9t square. So if you just put t is equal to 1, you get x minus y whole square, x minus 1 square plus y square is equal to 9. That's the locus. Right? Okay. Now everyone try question number 14. Yes, Rahul, tell me.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, 14th one it will hit the ship.
Okay, we'll check. Shashivardhan?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir, that the submarine is back of point A or front of point A.
Basically, this is the ship's portfolio that is being given. Suppose the ship is moving in this direction, and that is the front of the submarine.
Oh, front. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes, Shashivardhan?
Sir, for me, time is coming negative, sir. It will not hit the ship.
Okay, fine, we'll check. Suppose this is the point where torpedo is launched. This point you take Q, this point you take R. So if I join these 2 points, the point is, now I'm writing the concept. The concept is, if the torpedo has to hit the submarine, then the velocity of torpedo, with respect to the ship must be in between PQ and PR. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, so I'm saying that if the torpedo velocity is either this along this line, or along this line, or along this line, or along this line, or along this line, then the torpedo will hit the ship. But if the torpedo has velocity in this direction, like in this direction, or in this direction, or in this direction, or in this direction, then in all those cases, the torpedo will not hit. Tell me, is the concept clear to everyone? Respond me, please. Is it okay for everyone? Did you understand this? Okay, right. Next, anyone has doubt? Feel free to go for it. Yes, Shankar?
Sir, why it can't it when it moving straight, sir?
Which direction? In this direction?
Yes, sir.
Because it will miss the target, no?
Sir, ship also moving now, sir.
What I said, with respect to Sipna, you are observing from here only, na?
Okay, sir.
Have you understood? Yeah. So now, here it comes. So we can write now, velocity of the torpedo with respect to ship is equal to velocity of the torpedo with respect to ground minus velocity of the ship with respect to ground. Somebody is already blasting some torpedo over Sanat's head. If you want to see the practical, you can see. So now, direction of torpedo is same as direction of the submarine. So velocity of the submarine with respect to ground minus velocity of the ship with respect to ground. Yes, Mr. Rahul?
Sir, the submarine is at rest now, sir.
Ah,
The submarine is at rest now, sir.
submarine is at?
Rest.
No. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that suppose if the submarine is going and the torpedo is launched from there, then torpedo will have the same speed as that of the submarine. So on both the occasions I'm discussing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So now you look at the diagram. So what is the direction diagram in which torpedo is moving? This is the direction in which torpedo is moving. How much is the speed? V2. Right? Okay, fine. Check now. This is the direction in which ship is moving. With respect to ground only. This is V1. This angle is given to be 30 degree. So what should be the direction of minus V1? Because here minus V1 will come. So this must be the direction of minus V1. Let us say this is minus V1 direction. Minus V1 vector. V1 vector. So this angle is also going to be 30 degree. Then what is the resultant? This is going to be the resultant. This is the resultant. Right? This is the velocity of the torpedo with respect to ship. Let us take this angle is theta. If I extend these vectors, so this angle is coming to be 120 degree. You take this vector as P vector, this vector as Q vector, and this vector as R vector. Draw the diagram carefully, everyone. Everyone got it now? Yes. So now you see, I can write tan theta is equal to, we know that, remember the initial vector is q sine alpha by p plus q cos alpha. Alpha here is 120 degree. Q is how much? Q is 15 sine of 120 degree divided by 40 plus 15 cos of 120 degree. From there you will get the value of theta. So if you tally that value of theta with the given value, you can get the answer. Right? Okay. Fine. Yes, Akash, go on.
Sir, is R is the position vector of torpedo with respect to ship?
Yeah. Where is R?
Sir, vector R, sir.
Is resultant. That is the velocity of the torpedo with respect to ship.
Oh, okay, sir. And sir, then P is what, sir? P vector.
But
Sir, P vector.
it is velocity of the torpedo with respect to ground.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Solve this one. Chalo, too quick. Anyone with the answer, please? Nobody is responding. Chaitanya?
Sir, time 2 seconds.
Yes, correct only. What about the remaining one?
Maximum horizontal also 10 root 3 correct, sir.
Okay. Yes, Dinesh?
Sir, that A and C are correct, sir. That B, I get that range equals to 60 meters, sir.
Okay, I will check just now. I will check. Wait for some more time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shashivardhan?
AC, sir.
AC. Okay, fine. I will check. Yes, Vignesh, tell me.
Sir, time is 2 seconds and maximum horizontal 10 root 3 meter.
Yeah, correct only. Yes, Rahul?
So for me, time is coming 4 seconds.
And 2 seconds only, na? 2u perpendicular by g cos 30 degree. It will be 2 seconds only. Check.
Okay.
So here time is equal to, you'll get 2 seconds, and this x max will get 10 root 3 meter. Okay. Shall we proceed now? Okay. Yes, Rahul?
Sir, range is 40 meters.
Yeah, maybe 20 meter.
20 meters.
Yeah, yeah. Chalo, solve this one. Vignesh, tell me.
Sir, in previous problem, the range is 180 meter I coming, sir.
Yeah, 20 meter. Okay, leave it. I mean, that is gone. Leave it.
Okay, sir.
Now do this one. Chaitanya,
Sir, A is incorrect statement.
A is incorrect statement. Okay. Chalo, do quickly. Come forward. Yes, Chaitanya.
Sir, I think A and B are incorrect statements.
Which one?
A and B.
A and B still you got. Okay, fine. Proceed.
Okay, sir.
Vignesh.
Sir, A, B, D are the incorrect.
Perfect. Very good. Okay, champ. Very good. Actually, we'll get total time of flight. Yes, Chaitanya.
Sir, forget to lower hand, sir.
Okay. Total time of flight is equal to 2v2 sine alpha by g. Hence, A was incorrect. Acha. This boat travels a distance. This will be equal to 2v1 v2 sine alpha by g. That's why B is incorrect. And this will be 2 by g v2 sine alpha into v2 cos alpha minus v1. So that's why A, B and D, these are incorrect statement and these are the correct answers. So that also may come in the examination. That what is the correct formula? Yes, Rahul?
So once explain the D option.
Which one?
Option D.
Option D, huh? Option D you see. Can I write S is equal to V relative into time of flight? What is V relative? That will be V2 cos alpha minus V1. What is time of flight? Now you got?
2v2 sin alpha by g.
That is the time of flight, no?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So that I have put here. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This term is actually given wrong in the statement. Here it is only given V2 cos alpha.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we have done enough practice. That's all. We'll not do anything. Chalo, if anyone has any query, any doubt in your mind, feel free to go for it. Okay. It can be regarding study or regarding anything. Let's be in a light mode. Yes, Yogananda?
Sir, I have a general doubt since
Go on. Tell me.
Sir, in order to calculate what should be condition, sir?
What?
In order for collision of two particles, what is the condition?
Same thing. Just remember this thing. If the particles have to collide, then in time t, x1 should be equal to x2 and y1 should be equal to y2. Or at best you can write, I'll tell you this is the best thing to remember. Given time t, you remember like this. In time t, S relative is equal to L, it will come down to S relative to 0.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
So whatever the relative separation that is having between the particles, it will come down to 0. Is it okay now?
Okay,
Just one more example I will give so that it becomes perfectly clear for you. Suppose a particle is projected like this from the top of a tower. Okay, no? And Another particle is projected like this from the bottom of it out. So it will cover some x distance. It will also cover some x distance. Correct. It is covering y there. It is covering y there. Right. So at the instant of collision, y1 plus y2 must be equal to h. That is the first thing. If they collide in midair, and if this is 1 and this is 2, and x1 must be equal to x2.
Okay, sir.
Right? You got it now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, great. Anything else by anyone? Go for it. Any emotion, frustration, anger, anguish, happy thoughts, memories? Mr. Pushkar Kale is raising the hand. Yes, Pushkar Kale, tell me.
सर कैंपस में ये कितना लेक्चर कितना आवर्स रहता है?
कैंपस में 4.5 घंटे का लेक्चर रहेगा और 4.5 घंटे का लेक्चरर की सुपरविजन में वर्किंग रहेगा।
तो सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए कितना टाइम मिलता है?
वो मिला ना 4.5 घंटे तो सुपरविजन के लिए मिला, और उसके बाद जैसे शाम हो जाएगा, सूरज ढल जाएगा तो पूरा सेल्फ स्टडी।
सर घर में पढ़ाई नहीं होती सर?
घर में पढ़ाई अगर करने का मन किया तो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन क्या करे भाई, ये साला दिल है, मानता ही नहीं।
सर केमिस्ट्री करने बैठा तो फिजिक्स रह जाता है, फिजिक्स करने बैठा तो केमिस्ट्री और मैथ्स रह जाता है।
कुछ भी कर ले भाई, लेकिन साइकोलॉजी बचना नहीं चाहिए बस। चलो ओके। Yes, Harshit.
Sir, in fun study, it is not there in order, sir.
They are keeping it. I mean, I do not know, but I think whatever I have seen till last moment, they are keeping it in order only.
Sir, I have joined just 1 week before only, sir.
I do not know actually. you joined 1 week before. In class, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you just clear whatever you are getting out there. Whichever portion you are not getting, you tell me. I will give you the lecture note. Okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, from Monday onwards, you start Rainman problems.
Yes.
Rainman only.
Yes. I'll start Rainman.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Yogananda? Yes, Vignesh, tell me.
सर मंडे से तुम नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं?
भाई तू तेलुगु में बोल दे, मैं समझ लेता हूँ। No. Monday I will start Rainman problem actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right? Yeah. Yeah, chapter I told now already. I will start the Rainman problem, right? Okay. Chalo, anything else? Yes, Srijit.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, after coming to college, will you revise these topics?
I don't think that we'll have time, Srijit, because already much time is lost now. See, the thing is
Yes,
my concern is something different. See, all these speculation and things are going on that CBSE has reduced the syllabus and everything. But my doubt is that although CBSE has reduced syllabus, NTA may not accept all these things, right?
Okay.
Because
Okay, sir.
I was watching the interview of the IIT Delhi director few days back, and he was clearly mentioning that IIT JEE is not a selection test, it's a rejection test. He clearly mentioned. He said that if we keep on doing like this, then how we will be able to select 10,000 students out of 10 lakh students. So you have to be on the toes, and see, already the program is going very slow, Srijit, I'm telling you. Generally in college, the program should run very fast. in this time,
Okay.
right? So things
Okay.
are going very easily, coolly. Try to manage maximum you can. See, when you come to 12, we don't expect that you will retain all 100% you have studied in class 11th, right? But the advantage is as much percentage you can retain, that will give you benefit.
Okay, sir.
Correct, na? Okay, na? And
Okay.
obviously, in between, I think in every alternative 3 weeks or in every alternative month, na, 1 week Narayana will provide you the buffer week. In that buffer week, we'll be revising the left out topic or topic where you are having the doubt and all.
Okay, sir.
So don't
Thank you.
worry. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, sure. I know you will rock the exam here. I have full confidence on you people. Definitely. Sir, new joinee here, missed entire projectile. Okay, I will help you. Not a problem. I will send you the lecture note. Okay. And you work out from there. Whichever doubt you have, you can ask me. Not a problem. Okay, no? Fine. But I told you now, next I will start Rainman problem from Monday. Okay? Yeah. Right. Rainman problem. Anything else, please? Just last couple of minutes before going for the exam. Vignesh, today JEE main 100 marks only. In physics, not even 4 marks should be left. Okay, na? Pakka? Right. Same message to all of you, Yogananda, Sasivardhan, and all people. Anyone has anything else to say here? One motivational story before exam. Motivational story. Chala, motivational story. See, it's not a motivational story, but yes, you can call it motivational story. I remember, just a couple of minutes I will take. It was around 2009. It was chilling winter at that point of time. I remember it was 1st of January. I was returning from Delhi to my native state actually. And I was coming as a failed guy. Failed guy in the sense 2007, 2008, 2009. These are the 3 subsequent years I have topped an UPSC exam called Combined Defense Services. I have consistently been the top ranker in all 3 years, but somehow down the line, I was not able to cope up with either pilot aptitude battery test or I was failing in medical test. But I have qualified SSB, Service Selection Board, each time. Anyway, so for the 3rd time I got failed and I was coming back. I was utterly dejected, utterly dejected. So I was not able to think what to do next. So I remember the train was just entering the border of West Bengal. It was Purva Express, I remember. So right around 4:30, 5 o'clock, a transgender, होते हैं ना, पैसा मांगते हैं ना वो लोग, she came in the compartment and पैसा मांग रहे थे. They were demanding money actually. There was one, so she was having all gutka chewing and everything. So I was very reluctantly sitting on the seat. I mean, I was completely dejected actually. So she demanded money. I gave 10 rupees. Then when she was going back, she said ki Happy New Year. And the next moment she said ki I will just narrate in Hindi कि हिजरा है इसलिए हाथ नहीं मिलाएगा, कि since I'm a transgender then that's why you will not shake hand. I said no, there is nothing like that. Obviously then I shook hand with her. So she gave me a very good lesson. I do not know, God, if they have deprived somebody, then they used to give some special power. She understood that I was in depression. She said कि पता नहीं, नया सुबह है, नया कुछ मिल सकता है. And you cannot believe, I just tell you cannot believe, when I came home, I reached my home. I remember exactly the timing. It was around 9:30 in the morning. I reached my native town. Then my mom gave me a packet. It was at that time, it came to the post actually, Indian Post. She gave me the packet. When I opened the packet, it was Bangalore IISc entrance test examination result. Okay. So it's a matter of 24 hours where I was felt completely dejected, and then it completely turned into a success story in a different direction. So my suggestion to all of you is that the thing I said is that the day before yesterday also, or last week also, don't get depressed out of failure. Failure is very common in life. Success comes rarely. But yes, you should have a mindset to hold that success if it comes in your life. And many people say that you have to work very hard to get the success. I say no, success can be achieved very easily also. The point, hard work will start to maintain that success. So it takes a lot of pain to maintain the success. You can get success easily, that's not a big deal. But to maintain that success on the same volume, same intensity, it takes a huge pain. Right? So you all people are good people. I know you will all do very good in life. There is no point that you cannot do it. Obviously, you all people will become super successful, and someday we will all have a cup of coffee here in Hyderabad. Chalo. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow or day after tomorrow in the morning. Yes, Mr. Rahul.
Sir, happy Bakrid.
Yeah. To all my minority friends who are out there, Eid Mubarak to all of you. Okay. Yes, Sriram.
Sir, can you give your WhatsApp number?
8697439870.
Sir, please, sir, slowly.
8697439870.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Now I am asking Sriram. Did you get it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, done.
Sir, even I joined 1 week before.
Okay, fine, no problem. Just ping me. I'll send you a lecture. Don't worry. Huh? Yeah, Pushkar, don't quick.
Sunday na tomorrow.
Tomorrow Sunday fun day. No class.
Yes.
Chalo,
Thank
bye.
you.
Bye. Sir is already waiting. Huh? Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.